Okay, the next is to copy a string into another string variable without using the library functions. Okay, what I'll do is in this program itself, I'll do it without using library functions, and I'll show you the code for using while using the string function for copy. Okay, remember string is a set of characters which is stored in a array. So naturally, you can't just say something like x is equal to 4, right? Because here we are talking of copying of arrays rather than just a simple variable. So let's start off. Include iostream.h hash include conio.h conio.h hash include string.h. Okay, void main. Okay, now let's, so again as I said, we require two strings, one for the original one and one for the copied one. Okay, one for the copy. Okay, so let's say s of 50. Okay, and the copy. Okay, copies of the string, so again 50. Okay, so we have got these two um, strings. Int, we require the len, let's say slen, that is length of the s string, and we require I uh, and a variable for the looping. Remember, initially we are doing it without using the function. Okay, so clear screen, cout to display the prompt, enter the source string. Okay, and then cin dot get line 50, because there is a maximum length. Okay, now we require to know the length of the string so that we can set up a loop. Okay, so slen is equal to what? Slen is equal to s, sorry, slen of s, sorry, slen is equal to strlen, string length of s. Okay, so now we have the length of the string. Now we need to set up a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than slen, and I plus plus. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to start copying the various elements of the array s to array copy. Remember, they are basically strings. So copy of I is equal to s of I. So basically what this means is whatever is there in the s of I, put it in copy of I. Okay, so basically by the end of this loop, copying is done. So now we need to add a null character. Remember to specify that it is the end of the string. So copy of slen, because lengths are same, is equal to \0. Okay, \0, and now we need to display. So slen, okay, characters are copied to destination string, okay, and endl, okay. And cout copied string is cout. I don't have to actually say cout dot write. I can just say copy, okay. So now this is and then get ch. Now this is without using uh, string function for copying. Now let's create another one, copy with function, and let's keep this also 50 itself. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the same thing again. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use the function. Now the function is strcpy, copy str1 string 1. Now string 1 is what? S is our original one, and the destination is going to be our second okay, destination should be first. So copy with func and replace put the value that is there in s into, okay. And now what we are going to do is cout copied string using function is, okay, is copy with func, right? And if required we can say end line, and of course get ch. Okay, now let's run this. Or I could not find a match for get line. What did we miss? Get line s comma 100 string.h iostream.h conio.h. This should work perfectly. Could not find a match for iStream getLine int iostream.h cin.getLine cin.getLine. Oh, getLine requires, sorry, I need to specify the variable as well. So this will be in this and 50 characters. Okay, right, enter the source strings. Okay, source string, let's say Charles Babbage. Okay, 15 characters are copied to destination string. Copied string is this. Okay, copied string using function is Charles Babbage. Okay, let's finalize this. There has to be a next line endl. Now let's see. Now this will look much better. Isaac. Okay, copied string is Isaac. Copied string using function is Isaac. Okay, so as you have noticed that it's much more easier to use a single function rather than n number of lines of code. See, this has much major implications. Say for example, one of the things is if you don't use functions for commonly used functionality, what happens is you tend to repeat this 4 lines of code everywhere where you require to copy. Okay, so naturally if there is a bug, you might have to make changes all over the place. That is one very important thing. And second thing is the effort involved in writing this many lines of code at every place where it is required. So there are various advantages of using functions. Okay, let's save it and let's close this and let's quit.